All right, boys and girls, we're all, what are you doing with your hands over there?
God, you about blew my eardrum out. So loud.
That's how I feel anytime you're like, oh my God. Whenever you see something that...
Shut up, you're just so dramatic.
Yeah, what a way to start the video, boys. Anyway, we are both in flannel. It's Florida cold out this weekend. You guys know what that means. It's warm anywhere else in the country. Yesterday was 65 degrees as a high, a low of something 40s, I don't know. Today it was still in the 60s, but we waited until now. You guys aren't here for that, but if you are, this weather report was brought to you by WMBR 1976.5 on your FM dial. Now, normally when we go out to ride, we have a pretty good plan on what we're going to do, and even at the last second I decide, hey, we're going to go do this and this, I still don't have a plan. We're already out. I think we're going to go up next to the coast. Might not be the best idea, given that it's probably a lot cooler over there. And while neither one of us really like the cold all that much, Bo Mama is particularly weak when it comes to it.
Yeah, I don't like it at all.
Yeah, not even a little.
No, not even a sliver.
Not even a sliver. Back on the Road King. I think the last couple videos I've been on the Road King. Although I have been riding and not recording, typically the bike night, I have been riding the Dyna. It's got a front tire issue I'm going to need to have that taken care of real soon. I don't see where it's leaking, but after about 3 days in the mid-60s, it's from down from 30 psi to not reading. So, yeah. I don't see any nails in it, so it could be a bad bead, a bad valve stem. I'll take it somewhere and have them figure it out for me. Yeah, you guys, I haven't recorded a whole bunch. It's easy to record when you have stuff to do. You know, working on that yellow Dyna for so long, or, you know, doing some upgrades on her bike. And I was talking to another creator that lives in a different state, and we were chatting about some of the same things. It's like you kind of run out of ideas and or money to do the things you want to do. So it's like, what am I going to record? You know? But Bo Mama and I get out at least once a week, sometimes twice a week. It's just, and we were talking, I don't mind it, but we go to the same places all the time, do the same things. But I don't think that makes for like thrilling video content, so I don't record most of the time. Even today, we're going to do some things that we've done before. But I don't know, just felt like recording today.
Hold on, I'm not ready.
I'm getting in the shade. So these flannels are great when we're moving, but sitting still in the sun, no thanks.
Yeah, it's pretty warm.
God, what is taking you so long?
Well, sorry, I'm afraid I'm going to make it overflow.
Boy, that time, I'm sure we were recording, but that shit overflowed all over. She was all pissed off because I just washed the bikes. And
Oh, it got all over my helmet and everything.
I know you guys have all done it. I've done it. You try to pull the nozzle up a little bit. I don't think she did that, but you try to pull the nozzle up a little bit to see down in there. You end up pulling it too far. It hits that backsplash, knocks you right in the face. Bo Mama has betrayed me. Just want you guys to know that.
How?
As we were leaving the house, she said, I am not going to Glenwood Tavern today. Guys, that's my favorite spot. Why don't you want to go there today?
Because it's too smoky in there and my sinuses are jacked up.
Now, when I was coming up, we had a saying, adapt and overcome, right? She doesn't believe in that. What an entitled bitch.
Yeah.
I'm just kidding.
I just feel worse tomorrow.
I get it. Every time we go there the next morning, we both feel like shit, but her more so. It's a small place and it's very smoky in there, which is fine by me. It's oh, okay, she thought she was gonna flex on me. We're gonna enjoy this road through the back countries of Florida with the giant hills and the tight twisties and hairpin turns. Everybody loves down here. We'll see you then. know what the last thing was that went through that bug mind? His ass. Did you hear my funny joke?
Yeah. LOL.
I wasn't recording, but I just said we this is the third time we've been to this place, and I never remember the name of it. I didn't go on to say the name, but everybody here has a Fins shirt on, right? So out of nowhere, she goes, "I think this place is called Fins."
Am I right?
She's not wrong. Yeah, it's like, okay, I think we figured that out. Look, you got some kind of Volkswagen. Well, that one broke down. I don't know if I should be surprised or not. That's kind of cool. Remember back when I was a kid, everybody's first car was a Volkswagen. And then out there, obviously the ocean, there's a shrimp boat. I don't know how well you're going to be able to see it, but clearly they have themselves a nice haul because there are hundreds and hundreds of birds following along their trail. So, beautiful freaking day at Flagler Beach, boys. All right, y'all, look at it. Look at this thing. Holy smoke. I look like a Long John Silver taco right there. Holy shit. Captain D's fillets. I don't know. I won't be able to film how superb this is, but we're going to dive into it. Holy smokes. Okay, I got to say, the burger was superb.
Superb.
Well, Mom, on the other hand, how are your Long John Silver tacos?
They were called Fiesta fish tacos. There was no Fiesta.
There's no fiesta. No party in your mouth, baby. Everybody's coming. Stop it. Yeah, that's going to do it for here. Oh, my God. What a big old burger. So I was looking over at this bike over here. Look at that sissy bar, the tall sissy bar. That's a giant pad. That's huge. And then it's a Softail Deluxe, which is one of my favorites. The problem is it's got a windshield and bags. And there's a saying that the longer you have a Deluxe, the more it becomes a Heritage. One of the things about Deluxe is you don't have all that crap. I'm not going to hook up this other camera up here. You guys were around last year when I got those generic Amazon batteries. I talked about how they're compatible-ish. Sometimes they don't like to work right, so it's a fight to get that thing to work. So normally when we come this way, we head on over to Daytona and go to Froggy's. I was really looking forward to going over there and filming the inside of it for you guys, but Mama talked me out of it. We're gonna head up the road about 7 miles. There's a spot that we passed a couple times and always say we're gonna stop in there and never have. It's called the 1405 Saloon. I did a quick Google search on it, looked at reviews to make sure we weren't walking into some shithole, but it's nice to get over by the ocean. I mean, our day ain't over. Of course, it is that time of year where it will be dark before 6 o'clock.
Boo.
Yeah, big boo. She's off for the week, this coming week. Yeah, lucky bitch. lucky bitch. I am off Wednesday through Sunday next week, which is very nice. I do have to work Monday and Tuesday because I work 4/10s with Wednesdays off. I get my normal Wednesday off, plus Thanksgiving the day after. Man, come a long way. Man, I'm not getting paid like I was back in the retail days, but I remember working retail and no way. As soon as Thanksgiving hit, forget it. You were working, buddy. Yeah, there's a good chance I'm not going to film up here at the 1405 Saloon. I got a little hesitation. Is it called trepidation? Maybe define trepidation for me.
I don't know.
Nice, we're both stupid. Okay, I got a little hesitation filming in places I've never been before because you never know. Is it some sort of territorial bar? You know what I mean? Hey, it's cool. Are you cold?
Yes.
Well, we definitely don't want to be riding around in the dark then.
Nope.
I think I mentioned it earlier, but I'm going to be smoking a brisket on Wednesday. Excited about that. It's a long day drinking out in the garage. Preparing Thanksgiving dinner for my family. And then Thursday morning, we're going to grill some ribs I have grilled ribs probably for the past 15 years. And if you guys were around last year, I just started smoking meat last year, and I've tried ribs twice, and neither time they've not turned out as good as they do when I grill them. So when I said let's do ribs again, the first thing she said was, "Grill them, please. Don't smoke them." Okay. Now, to be fair, grilling them and smoking them, the way I grill them, it shares some commonalities with smoking. I still cook them in indirect heat. The only difference is I do them at like 350 instead of 225 like you would on a smoker. So either way, she's right. Every time I've grilled them, they've been pretty damn good. Yeah, perfect. In fact, when I first decided I was going to start making ribs, I bought a whole book. I forgot the guy's name, Steve Raceland or something. This is years ago, remember? So I don't even know, this guy's notoriety. And I found this one, I don't know, it's like page 57 of his book called Ribs. There's like 100 different rib recipes in there. I tried one time. We decided there's never a need to try another recipe. And I haven't. I've been using the same one this whole time. So good. It's a mustard-based dry rub with an apple cider-based mop about halfway through and near the end. And then I just use Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. That's my favorite. And buddy, they are delicious. Anyway, we're gonna head up to the 1405 Saloon, and we'll see you down there. All right, we're here at 1405 Saloon in Bunnell. Plenty of bikes here, which is what caught our attention. I'm going to tell you, though, no drugs or weapons. Might as well fucking leave. This part ain't no fun. Alright, y'all, that is going to wrap this one up. Just a nice, quick, easy vlog. Me and the wife out riding around on a Sunday. It's kind of what my motorcycle life has been over the last couple of months. No projects really going, especially around the holidays and everything else. So I would put more videos out if I had more things to do going on. So the vlogs, I guess, are pretty good for those of you who can't ride in the winter. You can kind of be jealous and live vicariously through us down south. But anyway, I do appreciate you coming along for this video and all videos. And until next time, we'll see you later.